to download Temu on your Windows computer, you will need this application called BlueStack. This application, and to download BlueStack, you need to go to Google and search for BlueStack 5, and then you need to click the first link, and from here you will able to download BlueStack. Just download the BlueStack application, and after download you need to install it. So after that you have successfully downloaded and installed the BlueStack, you will find this logo, and then you will find this screen. So from the search menu you need to search for Temu, then enter, and after that you will need to search on Google Play. Tap here and you will find the Temu application. As I have already downloaded it, so it's asking me to open, but if you haven't downloaded, then it will say install. So that's how you download and install and download Temu application on your Windows PC. Thanks for watching.